Living outside home, not even in a different city, but in a different country altogether, doing groceries, laundry, booking flights, and carrying furniture from different places all on my own. I could not have imagined that few years back. Hi guys, my name is Dr. Kavita. I came to USA in my 30s. Welcome to my channel. So I recently crossed 2 years mark in USA, and few years ago, if you met me, I used to be very sure that I am not leaving India, and I was so confused after my residency that should I go, should I not go, what should I do. But one thing that I learned is जो भी आपका बचपन का सपना होता है ना यार, एक बार ट्राई कर लेना चाहिए, because it was my dream to come and live in New York City. And after coming here, after experiencing that, I feel like I won. I mean, I won in eyes of that little girl who always wanted to come to USA as a doctor. So it is not impossible, and honestly, after you come on this side, it feels it was not that difficult. But first step is YouTube. Now I know you are watching my video on YouTube, but honestly, for me, the first step was searching on YouTube how to give exams, what is the pathway, what are the other ways to come to USA. So most of my research, funny enough, actually started on YouTube, because when I finished my residency, I was not in a company where people were preparing for exams. People were pretty much settled, and people were looking for marriage, and just they were settled in life. But I did not feel settled. I had a pit in my stomach, and I felt really unsatisfied, because I thought, this is it. I want to fight more. I want to serve more. I want to learn more. I want to see the world. I want to see कि मेरी field में what are the progress and what kind of treatments are going on. I want to do more research. I want to experience more, and I want to see how it feels to be doctor internationally. And that is when that interest peaked in me. But the major turning point in my life was when one of my close friends cleared USMLE. At that point, it felt like, oh, it is possible. Sometimes you see in your college that people who have done USMLE are like those toppers, and people like who you do not relate to. At least me, as a mediocre or average student at that time, at least that's what I thought, used to think like that. बट जब आपके सर्कल में से कोई ऐसा कुछ कर लेता है, तो आपको लगता है यार, ओ मे बी इट माइट बी पॉसिबल. That was the time when I actually opened books and opened YouTube to see what are the resources, and let me try it once. So honestly, if you have done MBBS, or if you have done your residency and you are earning a little bit, so you can actually take that risk. That is what I learned. And there were, I mean, many expenses that I had when I was living for 6 months here for rotations, and I was lucky enough to find a job. But even in those 6 months, I had plenty of expenses. So at least have 10 to 20 lakhs in spare for those 6 months. But what you should aspire is to get a job as soon as possible, just for the sake of experience. If you want that, we think कि हर चीज लाइफ में irreversible होती है, but honestly, life में you should take at least these types of risks, especially as soon as you realize that this was somewhere your dream, because you will never be this young again. So आज अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को हमेशा से मन था US, UK, दुबई, लंदन, कहीं भी जाने का, so at least यार एक बार सर्च करो, एक बार ट्राई करो, and do not like publicizes too much, especially when your dream is like in a baby stage. Because एक भी इंसान जब ऐसा बोल देता है, नहीं नहीं यार, it is so difficult. Someone in my residency told me that only 0.1% people match in Radonk, which might be true, but it did give me a scare. It might have made my decision like something different if I did not see one of my seniors getting matched in Radonk. So, but I really believe that you should protect your dreams and do not share these kind of crazy dreams, especially if someone around you is not having like a similar dreams, because people have so many opinions and we reject the idea of something crazy way before than it seems possible. तो कभी आपके friends या even आपके seniors, like some of my mentors and professors also advised me against it. So अगर वो initial stage में ना बोल देते हैं, so it just somewhere discourages you and you just feel, you know, oh maybe it's not possible, मैं क्या ही सोच रही थी, you know. So in that stage, just protect your dreams and talk to people who are actually doing that. So the easiest way is to go on Facebook or Reddit and join those groups where people are preparing for these kind of exams, or watch those videos. Before coming here, my whole research was on YouTube. I used to actually, you know, I used to see vlogs of people who were giving USMLE exams, जो USA rotation करने के लिए आते थे, like especially Manik Madan, because at that time he was traveling to New York and that was my dream city. And at that time, looking at him, I would feel, wow, ये जगह मुझे भी जाना है, ये जगह मुझे भी जाना है. So that gave me so much of motivation. And honestly, उस time पे जब हम होते हैं ना, हमें ऐसा लगता है यार ये चीज़ is not possible, because हमारी current life is so different than what we are seeing, you know, at that stage. At that time I was in my hospital working, I was in my home. So ऐसा नहीं लगता था यार कि eventually would I actually someday be able to go to New York, you know, and that too earning money there. It seemed like a crazy dream, but that crazy happened. Honestly guys, whoever is watching this video, I was you. 2-3 years back, I was actually you. I used to watch videos like this to motivate myself and to keep myself in that zone of inspiration and zone of dreams, where I am watching something that I want to do. So that is the first step. The second step is just the baby step, talking to people who are already doing this, you know. Find out seniors, find out colleagues who are already in US and talk to them. जितना आप कनेक्शन ज़्यादा बनाओगे ना, उतना ही अच्छा रहेगा. US में आना and settle होना is, especially for medical students and doctors, is all about connections. So different you know conferences में जाओ, and even अगर आपको US में भी किसी conference में आने का मौका मिलता है तो do that. Honestly, मेरा first interest जो peak हुआ था, that would not have been possible अगर मैं कभी वो सिंगापुर कॉन्फ्रेंस में नहीं गई होती. In my residency, I got chance to visit Singapore and that actually showed me कि यार जो मैं यू नो इतनी गर्मी में और इतना परेशान होके गवर्नमेंट ओपीडीज में यू नो एंड पेशेंट्स एंड अटेंडेंस इन सब के साथ यू नो आई एम वर्किंग एंड समटाइम्स इट इज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. But life can be a little different. Everybody has like different aspirations and you can too, and it is okay. So I wanted a different life for myself, but मुझे पता नहीं था if it is possible or not. But after going to Singapore, I felt life can be different. So that possibility, you should give yourself a chance to even experience it at least once. इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि यार even if you are not planning to settle in USA or any other country, you should at least go there for some conferences or for any observership or rotation, so that you can see कि क्या ये worth it होगा कि नहीं होगा. Because ये question everybody asks me on Instagram, like ma'am, is it worth it? यार worth it आपके लिए क्या है? क्या आपका dream यू नो अगर किसी सिटी में आने का है, क्या आप वहाँ पे आ रहे हो एंड यू आर एबल टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट, तो उसका आप एक ट्रेलर देख सकते हो बाय डूइंग सम रोटेशन और बाय अटेंडिंग सम कॉन्फ्रेंस, विच वुड डेफिनेटली बी एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ फ्यू लैक्स. बट अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ के एक बिग डिसीजंस बनाना है, सो दैट इज अ रिस्क दैट you should take to at least make that travel, because आपको उस जगह पे आके कैसा लगता है that nobody can tell you. You know, I would see people showing New York from one perspective, but what I experienced after coming here was totally different in so many ways. In some ways really better, in some ways not that good, but आपको वो चीज़ खुद से experience करनी होगी. So give yourself that chance, at least one chance. So do not make like big decisions कि सारे steps करके ही मुझे US में आना है. No, you can always come for a research observership or just a you know a rotation here, so that आप एक बार experience कर सको और उसके बाद decide करो is it worth it or not. So yeah guys, this is it. But if you have any specific question, do tell me in comments. And if you like these videos, so I will keep on making more. But thank you so much for being here and watching this video. And until next time, take care and follow your dreams.